Lyudmilla Pavlichenko was a Soviet sniper who fought in World War II. She had an exceptional talent for shooting and quickly became a legend in the Soviet army, racking up an incredible 309 confirmed kills. Lyudmilla became known as the Lady Death among her enemies, who feared her deadly accuracy and skill. Despite being a woman in a male-dominated field, Lyudmilla proved herself to be a fierce warrior and leader. She even made a trip to the United States to meet with President Franklin D. Roosevelt and promote the Soviet war effort. Her bravery and skill earned her many awards and accolades, and she remains one of the most celebrated snipers in history. Lyudmilla's story is a testament to the bravery and courage of women in war, and her legacy continues to inspire people around the world.